Hello everyone. Let us discuss a very important interview question related to exception handling today. So the question is, can we override a superclass method which is throwing a checked exception with another checked exception in the subclass? So the answer of this question is, if the superclass method is throwing a checked exception, then the subclass which is overriding that method can throw any unchecked exception, but it can only throw the checked exception of the subtype of parent class type checked exception. This can be elaborated as, if the superclass method is throwing exception, then the subclass can throw file not found exception or SQL exception. But if the superclass is throwing file not found exception, then the subclass cannot throw exception. That's all for today. We will be right back with more such interview questions. Thank you everyone.